Hello everyone, welcome to Maths Hub. In this video, we are going to learn two concepts. First one is inclination and second one is slope. First, let us see what is inclination and then we will come back to slope. First, inclination. Inclination is nothing but it is an angle. Inclination is an angle. And which angle? Normally you can tell inclination of a line. What it is? Inclination of a line. If you take any line, suppose this is the coordinate axis and let this be one line. Here, what inclination? Inclination is which angle? Inclination is the angle made by the line above the x-axis. Means here we have line, but we have to see the part of the line which is above the x-axis and it meets with the positive x-axis or positive direction of x-axis. This angle is called inclination. Okay, we have to measure inclination from the x-axis, from the positive direction of x-axis in anti-clockwise direction. So the angle made by the part of a line above the x-axis with the x-axis is called inclination, and normally we take it denote it with theta. Okay, how much line it is. But suppose if the line is like this, okay, then how where will get inclination? Inclination is nothing but this total part. Okay, but here this is not inclination. This angle is not inclination. Okay, what I told, we have to measure along the positive direction of x-axis. This is the positive direction. This is the negative direction, right? This is positive x-axis and negative x-axis. So we have to measure along the positive direction of x-axis, and this will be the inclination. Suppose here it is angle 30 degrees. So you can tell inclination of this line is 30 degrees. And suppose here if you have 40, okay, you cannot tell inclination is 40. It is wrong. Which angle we have want? We want this angle. So total will be 180. Out of 180 we have 40 here. So this will be 140 degrees. So inclination is 140 degrees. Okay. Now see what is inclination. We know. Next we have to moving on to slope. What is slope? In general, what is meant by slope? In general, slope is nothing but slantness. Right? Slope is nothing but slantness, right? Like this, okay, like this or like this, anything. But in mathematics, how we can find that slope? Okay, what is the value of that slope? See how to find slope. See here, whenever there is a line, we can measure slope along the ground, right? How much slope we have? Nothing but this will represent the slope, right? Okay, how much slope it is. So we have slope depends on this angle. Okay, so we can find slope. M is equal to tan of this angle, and this angle we told now only. What is that angle? That angle is nothing but inclination, right? Here if you have a line and this is the line, this angle we call it as inclination. So theta is inclination, then the value of slope m, slope is denoted with m, equal to tan theta. Why you are taking tan theta here? Why you are taking the ratio tan? See, whenever there is a line, whenever there is any line, on which factors does it depends on? It depends on the horizontal distance and vertical distance, right? It depends on these two factors. One is vertical distance and another one is horizontal distance. And what is the ratio of this one? Vertical distance, and this is opposite distance, sorry, horizontal distance, right? Vertical distance and horizontal distance. And if you see this one, here you have 90 degrees and this is a right angle triangle. If you compare with a right angle triangle and here is a theta, the ratio between these two, this will be the opposite side and this will be the adjacent side, right? The ratio between opposite side and adjacent side is nothing but tan theta. Tan theta is equal to opposite side by adjacent side. Slope we can measure with the help of opposite side by adjacent side, or you can tell in another words, slope is nothing but the ratio of vertical distance by horizontal distance of a line. Like that also you can tell. So here opposite, the ratio of opposite side by adjacent side, you call it as tan theta. Here opposite or vertical is nothing but vertical distance by horizontal distance. You can tell like this. Okay, and vertical distance is nothing but opposite side, and horizontal is nothing but this adjacent side of the theta. So you can tell tan theta. So the value of slope is nothing but tan theta when we know inclination. And if we don't know inclination, okay, how to find slope of a line? See, now we can find how to find slope of a line when we don't know inclination. Suppose I know any 2 points on a line. Suppose this is 2 points x1 comma y1 and x2 comma y2. These are the 2 points of a line. Okay, this is the line. Okay, now what I told, slope is nothing but the vertical distance by horizontal distance, right? Now I want this distance. If I write what is the total distance here? This total distance is nothing but how much? Y2, right? Here it will be y. Total distance is y2. In the same way, this total distance is, this point is x, and this total distance will be x2. So this total is x2. And from here to here, the point is x1 comma y1. So distance is x1, and from here to here is nothing but this distance. This distance is y1. So what is the value here? Y2 minus y1 is this distance, and x2 minus x1 is this distance. So the ratio here slope is nothing but vertical distance is this one, y2 minus y1 by horizontal distance x2 minus x1. When we know 2 points and when you don't know the inclination of that line, the slope, the formula for finding the slope is y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. So we know now how to find slope, what is inclination, and how to find slope when we know inclination and 2 points, right? First, just recalling the points. Inclination is nothing but the angle made the part above the line. Okay, the angle by which the part above the line, the part of a line above the x-axis made with the positive direction of x-axis. That is the inclination. And slope, m is equal to tan theta is 1, and another one is m equal to y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. Okay, where here theta is nothing but inclination. Okay, these are the concepts about inclination and slope. Now see, what are the slopes of x-axis and y-axis? What are the slopes of lines parallel to x-axis and parallel to y-axis? Okay, see what I told, slope is measured by using the value tan theta, right? Tan theta, and theta here is nothing but inclination. Inclination is nothing but the angle with the x-axis. And now I want to find the slope of x-axis. How much angle with the x-axis is making with x-axis? 0. They both coincide, right? So it cannot make any angle. So angle is 0 degrees. Slope of x-axis. Slope of x-axis is equal to tan 0. What is tan 0? Tan 0 is nothing but 0, right? And slope of y-axis, how much angle that y-axis is making with x-axis? 90 degrees, right? So therefore, slope of y-axis is equal to tan 90, and tan 90 is infinity or undefined. So slope of x-axis is 0 and slope of y-axis is undefined. In the same way, if any line is parallel to x-axis, how much angle will it make with x-axis? No angle, right? Nothing but 0 degrees. In the same way, any line parallel to x-axis, also have the slope same, tan 0, 0. And the same way, any line parallel to y-axis makes 90 degrees with x-axis, right? So it also, any line parallel to y-axis have the slope undefined. Any line parallel to y-axis will be having the slope undefined. So now through this, what we can tell? What we can tell by this? See, the slope of x-axis is 0 and also the slope of y-axis sorry, any line parallel to x-axis is also 0. So if two lines are parallel, then their slopes are equal. Why? If two lines are parallel, then angle it makes are also equal, right? See, x-axis and y-axis. This is one line and this is another line which is parallel to this one, and these two angles are same as they are corresponding angle. So if this is theta, this is also theta, then this the value of tan theta for this line and this line both are same. We can then tan theta is nothing but slope. So slope of two lines parallel to each other is nothing but if m1 is the slope of one line and m2 is the slope of another line parallel to this one, then we can tell they are equal. Now let us see what is the condition if two lines are perpendicular to each other. I am taking two lines which are perpendicular to each other. Suppose they make 90 degrees, and let the value, the inclination of one line is theta. Okay, then what is this angle will be from here to here it is theta, and here you have one 90 degrees. That means if you draw 90 degrees here, you will add 90. So you will get here 90 plus theta. Okay, the slope of one line is theta. Sorry, inclination of one line is theta. The inclination of other line is 90 plus theta. Or else you can find like this. In a right angle triangle, this angle will be 90 minus theta, and the total sum is 180. So what you have to do? 180 minus of 90 minus theta. You will get 90 plus theta will be the inclination of this line. Okay. Now, what is the slope of first line? M is equal to m1 equal to tan theta. And what is the slope of second line? m2 is equal to tan of 90 plus theta. Why? Here the inclination is 90 plus theta. And what is tan 90 plus theta? 90 plus is nothing but it is in the second quadrant. So cot, and 90 plus second quadrant. So what it will do? Tan value is negative. So minus cot theta you will get. Okay. Here slopes are you can tell m1 into m2. If you find the product, what will you get? Tan theta into minus cot theta will you get. Tan into cot is 1. So the product of the slopes is 1. This is the condition when two lines are perpendicular to each other. When two lines are parallel to each other, the slopes are equal, and when two lines are perpendicular to each other, the product of the slopes is minus 1. First one, when two lines are parallel, what is the condition? Slopes are equal, nothing but m1 equal to m2. And we can tell conversely, if two slopes of two lines are equal, they are parallel. That also you can tell. In the same way, if two lines are perpendicular, product of the slopes equal to minus 1. Nothing but m1 into m2 is equal to minus 1. And if product of slopes of any two lines is equal to minus 1, then the two lines are perpendicular to each other. This is all about today's topic. Thank you.